Hello, there's your boy Miguel for the Mobile Mechanic 757 working on a Toyota Camry, but this goes for any kind of vehicle you're working on. If you're working on any kind of area in the vehicle that needs to have the the serpentine belt removed or having to be taken off, like I'm going to change this alternator, what I like to do is keep the belt just the way it is, put a bungee cord all the way up, and that way when it's time for me to put the belt back on, all I do is slide my tool back down and just slide the belt back on, versus the belt coming completely off. And then now you're not just replacing an alternator, now I have to put the belt back on and line it back up and do this and do that. You don't have to do that. It's just a mechanic tip. This is just something that I do. As you can see, the alternator belt was right here. It's sitting right here. Kept it on the water pump, blah, blah, blah. Still reroute it. And all I did is just use a bungee cord. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.